Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your bond holdings in Robinhood detailed guide step by step clearly. Open the Robinhood app on your device. Log into your account using your credentials. Once you're on the main screen, navigate to the Investing tab. Scroll down to find your bond holdings section. Tap on your current bond holdings to view details. Review your current bond performance and allocation. To update your holdings, tap on the Trade button. Choose whether you want to buy or sell bonds. If you're buying, enter the bond's ticker symbol or browse the available options. Select the bond you wish to purchase. Enter the amount you want to invest in the bond. Review the market price and ensure it aligns with your strategy. Tap Review. Confirm your purchase details are correct, then click Submit. If you're selling, select the bond enter the amount you wish to sell. Review the details, ensuring everything is accurate. Tap Review. Confirm your selling details and click Submit. Wait for the transaction confirmation notification. Check your bond holdings again to verify the updates. Evaluate your new bond allocation to ensure it fits your investment goals. Consider monitoring your bond performance regularly for any necessary future adjustments. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.